checkpoint in Arc City. Team ROG, which was far behind in the last match, also entered Arc City half an hour ago. Yet it seems they are facing some issues now. Since this morning, the stream has shown nothing but music. Perhaps their volume strider turned tail and ran?
Those bigwigs always cock the walk like fricking tossers, and nothing more than spineless wimps. Even in the leading position, they still gotta kidnap me, ROG's volume strider. How pathetic.
Whoa, girl, hold on. I'm the volume strider.
Balls, you're just the mascot.
Am not.
So are.
Am not.
Where are you guys? Are you all right?
We escaped, but the bad guys are still after us.
We got intercepted right outside the city. How's the game?
Don't sweat it. Just get ready for... Omni, act, answer me. Damn it.
7 horsemen.
Sit right
By my count, if we take this shortcut, we'll be back in the lead.
Sure you want to do this?
The success rate?
Mind if I keep it a secret?
You know we can't afford boosters with our current volume, right?
Come on, have faith in me. You don't have to do it, you know.
See?
Just get them to safety.
Leave the race to us. AchT, do you copy? Omni. Where are they?
Man, you are heavy. You should lose some weight.
Unlike you hummies, these aren't meat and fat. These are cutting-edge shape memory alloys and nanochips. It's the way to my supreme intelligence. Looks like they're going for a leap of faith.
Right, but they don't have enough volume for that kind of boost. We need to reach them somehow.
Well, we can reach them with this.
Wait, I have an idea. Hey guys, tired of spinning around all day like a caged animal? Let's break the bloody shackles and fly towards freedom! Woohoo! Let's get cracking. Mama's gonna work her magic.
It's morning time!
Not what I meant when I say loose away! You bloody psycho!
Hey, you two all right?
More or less. Just tell Vic, it's time to fly!
Ow!
we're back on track. Not bad, using the baddies to bump our volume like that.
They must be so pissed.
I would pay to see the look on their faces now.
He chose this route, just as I predicted. So run, as fast as you can, Victor the Hound. Run, and face me, your inevitable doom.